Enabling background app refresh for specific apps on your iPhone allows them to refresh content in the background, so you always have the latest updates. Here's how to turn it on for individual apps. Setup. Step guide to enable background app refresh for specific apps. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap General, scroll down, select Background App Refresh. At the top, choose Wi-Fi and cellular data or Wi-Fi to enable background app refresh. Scroll down to the list of apps and find the specific apps you want to enable. Toggle on the switch next to each app you want to refresh in the background. Enabling background app refresh for only essential apps helps balance battery life and app performance, so you get updates only where you need them. By following these steps, you should be able to turn background app refresh on your iPhone for specific apps. If this guide was helpful, stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips.